Hello, teacher.
Hello, Lynn. Good evening. Can you hear teacher?
Yes.
Okay, how are you today?
Good.
You're good. Did you go to school today? You went to school?
Yes.
Okay, and what time did you go home from school, Lynn?
Mm, five. Five. Yeah.
Okay, 5:40. You went home at 5:40? Okay, is that correct?
Yes.
All
Yes.
right. And Lynn, what grade are you now? Your class?
Mm,
Are you grade 3, 2, class 2?
mm,
What?
Plus five.
Again, 5?
Yes.
Oh, you're a big girl already. Okay. So, well, I know that you just started the school, right? You just came back from school, right?
Mm,
Okay.
Nice.
And how was it? Did you have many friends?
Yes. I have
Oh,
many friends.
many friends. Oh, do you have best friend with you? Are you classmate with your best friend, Lynn?
Mm,
Are you a classmate with your best friend or no? Best friend, do
mm,
you have a best friend?
Yes.
Okay. Are you classmates, same school, same class with your friend or no? Same Lynn or no? It's
Mm,
what is it? Do you, Lynn, listen. My question. Are you classmate? Are
mm,
you classmate with your best friend?
Yes.
Oh, yes. All right. That's good. Okay. So today, Lynn, is we will be doing reading and writing activity. Okay. Let me share to you the screen. So Lynn, here we go. Let's have a review of this one. So here, put a tick if it's correct. Put cross if it's not.
Mm. Teacher, I'm next.
Okay. Please read.
This is a sofa.
The
Check.
answer is tick. Okay. Let's check. Very good. Lynn, do you also have sofa in the house? Do you have sofa in the house?
No.
No sofa?
Yes.
Okay. All right. Now here, Lynn, here we go. Another one. Put tick if it's correct. X if it's not.
Teacher, I'm finished.
Okay, please read, Lynn.
This is a lorry. Check. This is a laser. Cross. This is a fast plane. Tick. This is a bird. Tick.
Okay, let's check your answer. Number 1, this is a lorry. The answer is tick, correct. Number 3, this is a lizard. Very good. It's cross. Why it's cross? Because
Because the picture is a frog.
it's a frog. It's not a lizard. Next, number 4, this is a bathroom. That's correct. And number 5, this is a bird. Very good. Correct, Lane. Great work. Okay, so here, Lynn, write yes if it's in the picture, write no if it's not in the picture.
Ambitious.
Okay, please read.
One of the children is wearing jeans. No. A man is dancing the window. No. The, there's a cat in the tree. Yes. Some chickens are drinking the water. No. The dog has no legs. Yes.
Okay, let's check now your answer. So we have here 5 sentences. First sentence says, one of the children is wearing jeans. The answer is no. Very good. Why the answer is no, Lynn?
Because it's children is not very much jeans, but the mask wearing the jeans.
Okay, what is the children wearing?
The children wearing a t-shirt and shorts.
Very good, because the children are both wearing shorts and t-shirt, not jeans. Number 2, a man is painting the window. The answer is no. Why the answer is no, Lynn?
While a man is fixing the window.
Okay, not, is it fixing? Look at there.
No,
It's
cleaning.
cleaning. Very good. It's cleaning the window. Next, number 3. Then there is a kite in the tree. The answer is yes. Okay, what are the colors of the kite, Lynn?
Mm, mm, orange, red, yellow, and blue.
Okay, the kite's color are yellow, red, blue, and orange. Next, some chickens are drinking the water. The answer is no again. Very good. Why the answer is no?
Because some chickens not drinking water.
Okay, they're not drinking the water. What are they doing? Can you tell me?
Mm,
What are the chicken doing?
and
The chickens are,
chicken
are they sleeping?
no,
They are.
they're okay.
Okay, they are just walking. Maybe they're looking for food. Okay, but then the answer is still no, because these chickens are not drinking water. Next, number 5, the dog has got short legs. It's yes. What's the color of the dog, Lid?
Bottom is brown.
Okay, color brown. Okay. Next, Lynn, arrange the letters to form a word. Do first number 1.
Something next
Okay, what's the answer number 1, Lynn? It's
is neat.
okay, very good. Meat. M-E-A-T. Another word, Lynn.
Teacher, I'm finished.
Okay, so Lynn, what's the answer number 2?
Milk,
Milk.
onion, bread,
Next, bread
potato,
and potato. So we have here number 2. We have the word milk. Very good. 3 is onion. 4 is the bread. 5 is potato. Great word. Okay, very good, Lynn. All right, next, Lynn, I want you to complete this paragraph about computer.
Teacher, I'm finished.
Okay, please read, Lynn, the paragraph about the house. Oh, computer, sorry.
I am in a house on in a school. I am on the table or a desk. A person sits on a chair in front of me. And the letter of the airplane has on me. Children can play with me and they like playing game on me. It's a computer.
Okay, number 1. So I am in a house on, or it's not on, but it's or, in a school, correct? I am on a table or a desk. A person sits on a chair in front of me. All the letters, correct, of the alphabet are on me. 4 children can learn with me and they like playing games on me. What am I? I am a computer. Very good. Is it easy, Lynn?
Yes.
Okay, that's great. All right, so Lynn, you enter again to the Zoom class, Lynn, so that you will have more time in answering the next activity.